This is a strengthening question, and the conclusion is the last sentence of the argument. We need an answer choice that suggests that the manufacturing firms can implement further cuts without reducing any essential expenditures. So with that broad expectation, let's look at the answer choices. This comparison of efficiency with which essential expenditures are managed compared to non-essential expenditures does not convey whether further cuts will lead to a reduction in essential expenditures, and therefore answer choice A does not strengthen the argument. By suggesting that only rarely do the state's manufacturing firms overstate the potential impact of threatened subsidy cuts, this answer choice weakens and not strengthens the argument. Whether the estimates quoted for non-essential expenditures have increased substantially does not suggest anything about whether further cuts will lead to a reduction in essential expenditures, and therefore answer choice C can be eliminated. Answer choice D suggests that only few state officials support the provision of subsidies that will allow manufacturing firms to maintain expensive non-essential expenditures. So two problems with this answer choice here. One, this answer choice only talks about the support for provision. It doesn't talk about what is the ground reality, and the bigger problem is that this answer choice also fails to convey any information about whether further reduction in manufacturing subsidies is possible without reducing any essential expenditures, and therefore answer choice D should be eliminated. Let's confirm answer choice E now. If the current subsidies provided by the state's manufacturing firms allow them to maintain some non-essential expenditures, then it must be possible to implement further cuts without reducing the essential expenditures. And therefore answer choice E strengthens the argument by suggesting that further cuts may be absorbed by cuts in these non-essential expenditures. And therefore E is the correct answer choice.